Hello, my name is Billy Stokes. I'm running for judge, Knox County Circuit Court, Division I. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised here in Knoxville, went to Beaumont Elementary School, Rural Junior Senior High. I then went to the University of Tennessee and worked my way through school, various part-time jobs. Later I wound up going to the University of Tennessee School of Law. In the interim, I was a juvenile counselor for the Knoxville Police Department. After law school, I went to the United States Army, where I served as a captain in Judge Advocate General's Corps. And I'd like to note that during law school, I worked a full-time job at the Juvenile Detention Center. I know a little bit about hard work. I've been practicing law in Knoxville for over 30 years. I've tried probably close to 100 jury trials. I've tried a lot of other kind of cases. I've been very active in the community. I presently serve on the Public Building Authority. I'm on the board of the Museum of Appalachia, and I'm on the board of the Golden Glove Charities. I'm also an AV-rated lawyer by Martindale Hubbell, and I would urge you to look at my website, billystokesforjudge.com, to get any other more background you need. And I'd appreciate your consideration for this very important position. There's only two things they used to say that the government could make you do. One was pay taxes, and the other was serve on jury duty. Well, that's the kind of court we're in, and it's not a job for beginners. It's a job for somebody that's been there, knows how to make tough decisions, and I've made those tough decisions for a number of years. I'd appreciate your support. Thank you.